Good morning children, how are you all? Hope all you are fine. For class 5 children, today it is day 9. Okay, today it is day 9. So in this today I'm going to make you to do some keywords, make you to learn some keywords, and also completing some bits in the textbook. Okay, all of them open page number 229. Okay, already we complete the lesson parallels and meridians. Yes, parallels are known as latitudes and meridians are known as longitudes on the globe. Yes, and here before going to the lesson, here we have a bit. So get set go. Look at a globe. There are some lines on it. Fill in the missing letters to complete their names. So here they given some missing words. So we have to fill it and we have to complete them, make it a word. Okay, so here first one. E-Q-U-A-T-O-R. First word is equator. E-Q-U-A-T-O-R. All of them used capital letters, children. Here all they used capital letters. So you also write in capital letters. All letters you have to write in capital letters. Yes. So first one is equator. E-Q-U-A-T-O-R. Equator. E-Q-U-A-T-O-R. Equator. Next. Tropic of Cancer. Second one is Tropic of Cancer. Spelling T-R-O-P-I-C. Tropic of Cancer. C-A-N-C-E-R. Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Next one. Arctic Circle. A-R-C-T-I-C. Arctic Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Arctic Circle. Next one. Tropic of Capricorn. T-R-O-P-I-C. Tropic of Capricorn. C-A-P-R-I-C-O-R-N. Capricorn. Tropic of Capricorn. Next, Antarctic Circle. Next, Antarctic Circle. A-N-T-A-R-C-T-I-C. Antarctic Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Antarctic Circle. Next, Prime Meridian. P-R-I-M-E. Prime Meridian. M-E-R-I-D-I-A-N. Prime Meridian. P-R-I-M-E. Prime. M-E-R-I-D-I-A-N. Prime Meridian. So these are the parallels and meridians drawn on sphere or globe. So that the main words they given as missing letters. Yes, the main words they given as missing letters. So here first one is equator. Equator is the main parallel of the globe. Okay, main parallel on sphere. Yes, and next Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle are situated in northern side, and Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle are also the parallels on sphere. Okay, next Prime Meridian is the main, like how the main equator is like how it is a main parallel. In the same way, Prime Meridian is also a main longitude, main meridian of the sphere. Yes. Next, here if you see, they were some letters are bolded with pink shade. So today you learn these words. Axis. First, see here, axis. A-X-I-S, axis. Next, poles, P-O-L-E-S, poles. Okay, and not only that, children, what are the bolded words in the textbook? If you read the textbook, you will find out the bolded words like North Pole, South Pole, okay, Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, equator. So these bold words you learn, children. Okay, and lines of latitudes. Here, axis, A-X-I-S, axis. Poles, P-O-L-E-S, poles. Next, North Pole, N-O-R-T-H, North, P-O-L-E, pole, North Pole. South Pole, S-O-U-T-H, South, P-O-L-E, pole, South Pole. Equator, E-Q-A-T-O-R, equator. Okay, next, Northern Hemisphere, N-O-R-T-H-E-R-N, Northern Hemisphere, H-E-M-I-S-P-H-E-E-R-E. Northern Hemisphere. Southern Hemisphere, S-O-U-T-H-E-R-N, Southern, H-E-M-I-S-P-H-E-R, Southern Hemisphere. Next, lines of latitudes, L-I-N-E-S, lines of latitude, L-A-T-I-T-U-D-E, latitude, lines of latitude. Okay, next, turn the page, children. Here, Polar circles, POLAR, polar, CIRCLES, polar circles. Okay, so Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, these are already before we learned in the missing letters. Okay, next. Here they given a bit children, that is checkpoint. Write T for true and or F for false. Okay, so here this is a bit of true or false. See here, first one. The east-west lines drawn on a globe are called parallels. Yes, parallels are drawn from east to west. Yes, so this is true. Right? T. True. Next, all parallels are of same length. False. All parallels are not same in length, children. So this is false. Next, the North Pole lies in the southern hemisphere. Where does the North Pole lies? It lies on northern hemisphere, not on southern hemisphere. So false. Next, the Tropic of Cancer lies in the northern hemisphere. Yes, Tropic of Cancer lies in the northern hemisphere. That is true. Okay. Next, longitude, lines of longitudes. Meridians also, learn the spelling of meridians also, children. MERIDIANS, meridians. Next, lines of longitude, LINES, lines of longitude. Next, LONGITUDE, longitude. Next, grid, GRID, grid. Okay, GRID, grid. Next, turn the page, children. So here we have words to know. Here we have words to know. That is axis, an imaginary line passing through two extreme points on a sphere around which it spins. Okay, what is axis, children? Axis is nothing but as an imaginary line. An imaginary line passing through two extreme points on a sphere around which it spins. Okay, spins means around how it turns. Okay, sphere is round in shape. Yes, so that points are called to be as axis. So these lines are called to be as axis. Okay, axis. Learn this definition, children. Next, pole. Either of the end points at the top or bottom of the earth axis. So we have on the earth we have some axis, children. Yes, we have some axis. Axis is nothing but as the end points of the sphere, down and top and down. So these end points are called to be as poles. North pole, up top is north and bottom is south. North pole and south pole. Okay, so learn these two definitions, children, and also quick recap. Okay, in quick recap we have some sub points. Okay, if you learn, be thorough in these points also, children. See first, the two end points on the earth's axis are called poles. The north pole is in the northern hemisphere and the south pole is in the southern hemisphere. Okay, so we have two end points on the earth. Okay, so that is north pole and south pole. North pole is in northern hemisphere, and south pole it is in southern hemisphere. Lines of latitude also called parallels. Lines of latitudes are also called to be as parallels. Are drawn from east to west. Parallels are always drawn from east to west. Next, the equator is the longest parallel. I already said that equator is the longest parallel in the parallels. Okay, it divides the earth into two equal halves. Yes, the equator is going to divide the earth into two equal parts. Next, lines of longitude are also called meridians. So lines of longitudes are also called meridians. They are drawn from north to south. How the meridians are drawn? They are drawn from north to south. Next, the prime meridian 0 degrees is taken as the starting line from all the meridians. I already said, you know, children, prime meridian is the starting and the main line for all other meridians. Okay, next, the network of parallels and meridians on the globe is called a grid. Okay, so the parallels and the meridians, if you see here, children, here in this picture, okay, if you see in this picture, these are called to be as grid. So see here in this globe you will see the latitudes and longitudes. It means parallels and meridians. Okay, straight lines are called to be as parallels, and standing lines are called to be as meridians. Okay, all together these will form a grid. Okay, next to locate a place on a globe we must know its latitude and longitudes. So mainly we use latitudes and longitudes to know the network or to know the place on a globe. Okay, so hope all you have understand this today's class, and the mainly all you have to learn is the bold words in the textbook and the missing words and these words to know. Okay, so these definitions you have to learn. Okay, see you in the next class, children.